For 2020 March 18, we are going to start most expected question from geography, mineral and energy resources, this chapter number 5. Now selected 5 very important questions. First question is, energy saved is energy produced. As is the statement 5 words. So students, I told that you will write down point wise. If you write point wise, then you will get good marks. For each and every point will be key point and unique point. So first we are going to start the first question. Answer. Energy saved is energy produced. We cannot keep on producing non-renewable resources like petrol, diesel and electricity. So the need of the hour is the better regulation of existing resources. Number 1 point. Number 2 point, energy depletion has become a global phenomenon at present time. The biggest problem that man has to face in near future is the energy crisis. Now, second point is over. Third point, the demand of energy is growing manifold in the form of coal, oil, gas or electricity, but the energy sources are becoming scarce and costlier. Now point number 3 is over. Point number 4, nearly 97% of the world's consumed energy is coming from fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Point number 4 is over. Point number 5, the efficient use of energy and its conservation is the best solution. So these are the 5 points for this question number 1, 5 marks. Now students, we are going to the next question. What are some measures to conserve energy resources? It is very important because the measures to conserve the energy resources is the important topic of the day. So what are the points we should write for 5 words, 5 points? Now first point, the following are some measures to conserve energy resources. Number 1, we should try and use more and more public transport system instead of private vehicles. Number 2, electronic devices must be switched off when not in use. Number 3, reducing the consumption of non-renewable resources of energy. Number 4, solar power should be used to the maximum to generate electricity. And number 5, recycling of goods and commodities can also help to conserve energy. These are the 5 points. Students, you pause the video and write down the answer. Then you will get high marks. Now, next, question number 3. Why is there an urgent need to use non-conventional sources of energy in India? So the urgent need is to use non-conventional sources of energy. Why? 3 marks. So you have to put 3 unique key points. How to write? So number 1, the growing consumption of energy has resulted in India becoming increasingly dependent on fossil fuels such as coal, oil and gas, which are found in limited quantity on the earth. First point is over. Second point, rising prices of oil and gas and other potential storage have raised uncertainties about the security of energy supply in future. So it will be finished very quickly. Now number 3 point, increasing use of fossil fuels also causes serious environmental degradation like air pollution, water pollution, etc. These are the reason for that the urgency of using non-conventional resources of energy in our country. So 3 marks, 3 points given. Now question number 4. Why does solar energy have a bright future in India? This the substitute, the solar energy, it has got bright future in India. Why? So how to write down the answer? Number 1, the reason behind, number one, India is a tropical country and gets abundant sunshine. Number 2, it has enormous possibilities of tapping solar energy. Number 3, it is an inexhaustible sources of energy which is freely available in nature. Number 4, it is a cheaper sources of energy and is fast becoming popular in rural and remote areas. And the last and the fifth point is because of its abundant and free availability in all parts of India, in addition to its eco-friendly nature, solar energy is called the future energy in India. These are the 5 points for this question number 4, 5 months. Now, last question, the selected question 5. Number 5, what are the main types of formation in which minerals occur? Now, where we see that minerals we can get and the formation system of the mineral, 5 months. So, how to write the 5 unique points, key points? Number 1, minerals generally occur in the following forms. In igneous and the metamorphic rocks, minerals may occur in the cracks, faults or joints by getting solidified in them. Number 2, in sedimentary rocks, minerals occur in beds or layers. Number 3, another mode of formation involves decomposition of surface rocks and the removal of soluble contents, leaving a residual mass of withered material contains ore. Bauxite is this type of forming in this way. Bauxite is formed in this way. Now, point number 4. Certain minerals occur as alluvial deposits in sands of valley floors and the base of hills, like gold, like silver, etc. Now, the fifth formation, ocean water contains vast quantities of minerals like common salt. So, in this way, we can get the different types of minerals from different places. So, these are the formation of the different minerals. So, these 5 questions, a very important question for this chapter, for this 2020-18 March. You have seen all the questions, you have heard these questions. Thank you very much to watch the video till the end, and you subscribe my channel, and I am thinking that to make videos for class 11 and 12 if I get more subscription. And your requirements, your demands, you write down in the comment box. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.